What's up, guys? What's going on? What's happening? What's good? We are in the garage right now. Yes, it's your boy, and welcome back to the channel. When we're in the garage, guess what we're doing? We're doing unboxings. So I got this box right here. I'm about to unbox it in here. Then I'm gonna take it upstairs and show you exactly what it is. But first, I want to give a huge shout out to Phenyx Pro for lacing me with these. So we're gonna jump into these and see what's what. So let's get them. Like I said, it came the other day. We're gonna unbox this really quick. Something quick in here, and then we're gonna get this upstairs because next week I have something to do with these. I'm gonna put these babies through the ringer. Absolutely. So right now, today we have the Phenyx Pro wireless microphone system. This is the PTU-71. Yes, PTU-71. We're gonna get this upstairs. We're gonna unbox this some more. So let's get them. Yes, you made it up here to this part of the video. We're in the studio, we're unboxing. I want to thank you for watching. And while we're going to dive into this one, again, I want to give a huge shout out and salute to Phenyx Pro for lacing me with these mics. As you know, if you follow the channel, if you see what I do, I DJ, I'm a mobile DJ. I also do sound engineering for puppet shows. So with those sound engineering shows, I need microphones. I need reliable microphones. We have another one we're gonna review. We're gonna unbox this, so let's go. As we unbox, we are in the middle of everything, guys. We are rocking out. I'm doing puppet shows, bar gigs, weddings, you name it, all of it. We're doing it all. Here it is, guys. It is the Phenyx Pro PTU-71 wireless microphone system. I'm gonna give you some specs while I'm unboxing this really quick. So right now, this is the Phenyx Pro Dual UHF wireless microphone system. It's auto scan cordless mic set with 2x100 frequencies, 2 body packs and headsets, lapels, microphones, perfect for speaking, singing, and churches. So let's get this bad boy unboxed. Now, I'm not gonna lie, like I said, I've been dealing with Phenyx Pro for a while now. So as you see, you have a nice little box. Get that out the way. Lift you up and bring you down. What do we have in the box, guys? In this box, we have our directions, of course. We have our directions, as you can see. This is our Phenyx Pro. Let's get this out of the way. This is our Phenyx Pro owner's manual. Standard directions. We don't need it. Next. All right, what else do we get in the box? They give you batteries, of course. They give you batteries. Let's pull that out. Here's your one lapel, some grommets. Here's a mic pack. There's another mic pack. Receivers. We're gonna pull all this stuff out of here first, and then we're gonna see what we got. All right. So no handheld mic. So this is a full body pack set, guys. Full body pack. All right, so what do we have here? Let's get this done. Let's get this unboxed. Get you out of the way. So right now we have one headset, two headset. We got a lapel. We got another lapel. Our AC power cord, quarters. That comes with an adapter as well. So you can hook it up to anything you need. So let's look at the mic packs. All right. So these mic packs, I see there's no dials or anything on the front. Okay, so that's how you scan. Put your batteries in, and that's what that is. Here's your two. There's some antennas. There's our antennas. Let's actually look at the receiver. So here's the receiver. PTU-71. Dual channel, wireless mic. Let's look in the back. There's your standard quarter, power. If you want to do XLR balanced, I'm sorry. Mix out. All right, let's get this bad boy configured and plugged up and powered on. Resume. All right, what's up? All right, so here we are. We are talking right now on the Phenyx Pro PTU-71. So it's coming through clear as day. Definitely clear as day. Like I said, I stand by Phenyx Pro. It's not like the big boys, but they are reliable. here is the shot of the Phenyx Pro right now. We are on channel 1, and it was already synced, ready to go. And I'm excited. I like it. I like where this is going to go, and I'm excited to see where this is going to be. And the other thing about this mic set that's really cool is it's mountable. I can mount it in a rack. I can keep that moving, and the antennas are detachable. So if I want to put it in a rack, I can detach the antennas and run some extenders on there and keep it moving. All right, so we're gonna get this bad boy set up because I have a puppet show coming Wednesday. Also, I might take it out on Thursday as well, maybe even Friday. I might give this thing a 3-day course running it through its ringers. So yes, that's what we're gonna do. I have 3 days in a row of some gigs, and we're gonna take this bad boy out. We're gonna put it through its paces. Indoor gigs, bar gigs, and everything. So let's get them. What's going on? All right, so I am at Wednesday's gig. We're doing a puppet show. I'm running sound. Let's get in the back. We're back here. They just did a whole presentation. This is a multicultural event, so this is going to be really cool. So I'm also running the Phenyx Pro PTU-71s. I want to see how these run. This is day 1, so let's go.
Hi, I'm Destiny, and in Spanish they say hola. Hola. Hi, I'm Kate, and in French they say bonjour. Bonjour. And we are Nelly, Nana, and Fred. Now, I know you've probably seen our shows before, but since our last show, we just published another book. So now, it's not 1, not 2, 1, 2, 3. It's not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7. Who's that? Who's that? Are you ready for the most?
Yes. All right. There it is. There it was. There it will be. What's up, guys? We're back up in the studio. We're going to talk about the Phenyx Pro PTU-71Bs. I previously recorded the unboxing in the garage. I brought them up here. I set them up on my studio, and they sounded great. And we took them out to a show. I originally wanted to take them out to like 5 gigs in a row, but the other couple gigs I had, I didn't need them. So I took them out to my main priority that I wanted to take them to get the test. And I took them to a puppet show. And like I said, they did not disappoint. Right out of the box, they were already synced, ready to go. Plugged them up right into my little system, and it was golden. I did not have any dropouts, nothing at all. And the sound quality was epic. So the Phenyx Pro PTU-71Bs, I give them a thumbs up. I didn't have any dropouts, and right out the box, they were ready to go. All right, so bottom line, Phenyx Pro PTU-71Bs, they are solid mics that if you're a beginner DJ or even someone that has years in that are looking to have some mics that won't break the bank, go grab them. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. I want to give a huge shout out to Phenyx Pro for sending these out, and I hope you guys like what I can give you for these. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more gear reviews, content, and behind the scenes gig log. Till the next time, peace. If you're a mobile performer, a DJ or entertainer looking to upgrade your mic setup without breaking the bank, I definitely recommend checking out these. Reliable, easy to set up, and road ready. Here's the best part. I've got a special code for you if you grab a deal on these mics. Check the description below, use the code, and make sure you tell them DJ Grifology.